TechnoBok, South Africa's first retail unboxings.
When you open the box of the new Lumia, on top you're greeted with the device itself. And inside the box, this is the headphones that come with the device. Apart from that, you get your standard wall power brick. Throwing the box aside, however, is when we can jump into the device itself. The new Lumia runs Windows Phone 8.1, and this is a very clean and nice interface. What I love about it is its individuality, a different way of doing things that we see from the Lumia range. The new Lumia phone has been branded Microsoft, unlike the previous ones which I reviewed, which were all branded Nokia, and I rather like that. I like how the squares in the Microsoft logo are in keeping with its Metro design. Jumping into the device, you of course get access to a whole host of nice apps and features, many of which can be downloaded through the Windows Store. I've also myself put on a few nice apps which I've been trying out of late, such as Truecaller, a very intuitive calling and messaging app which allows you to identify numbers from unknown sources as well as add spam numbers to a spam list. This has been something really exciting to try out. Having a look at the camera, the Lumia 640 has a very clear shooter, and I've tested it through a whole host of conditions and produced some very nice quality images and video. Swiping up allows you to jump back into the Lumia's main menu, and if you hit the button at the bottom on the right here, you get into the Bing Command Center, which allows you to search for a whole host of contents. Sliding down gives you a very familiar notification shade, which you can use to not only swipe away your notifications, you can also look through a whole host of quick launch settings and even jump into your main settings menu. What's nice with the Windows Phone 8.1 interface is simply adding apps to the device from your main menu can be done by holding your finger on the app, and when you pin it to start, it not only pins to the bottom, if you drag it over an existing app, it'll allow you to do that and create a folder. It'll also allow you to resize the app on a whole host of different sizes. So the Windows Phone 8.1 interface is very clean and is a very nice and intuitive interface, and something that really stands out from the crowd. You'll notice I have two devices available, a black one and a blue one, and apart from the two colors, they are very similar, apart from one big feature. The blue one, which I've been looking at, is the single SIM variant. Offers pretty much the same features on the internals, apart from that it only has one SIM card slot. With the black one, which I've been using, however, that has the very interesting concept of two separate SIM card slots. So up top there, you'll notice I've got phone 1, phone 2, message 1 and message 2. If I hit that, that'll take me into my current phone 1 call history. Whereas if I go back to the main menu and hit the second one, that'll tell me in this case I've removed my second SIM card. If you have a second SIM card in, this will allow you to filter both calls and data via the SIM cards in the order you choose. So it's extremely nice and one of those dual SIM devices that I really enjoy looking at. With the emergence of many new mobile networks and even VPN based networks, it's very exciting to have the ability to run your personal number on one of the major carriers such as Vodacom, MTN or Cell C, whilst running your data through, for example, one of the other carriers such as the new FNB service. It's been very exciting to look at the new Lumia range, and it's a really exciting option this if you want something that's a little bit different from the crowd and stands out. I really love this funky blue color, and I just am still a huge fan of the Metro tiles. They just come to life, and with this bright display and its clear black display technology, everything just pops and comes out very clearly and very nicely.
TechnoBok.